If you're thinking about buying the night light projector in 2026, you're probably asking one question. Is it actually worth it? Or is it just another product with big promises? Let's go through the quick facts. The night light projector is designed to transform your room with colorful lights and relaxing effects. Most models project stars, galaxies, oceans, or moving patterns onto your walls and ceiling. Some even include Bluetooth speakers, white noise, or built-in timers. The biggest reason people buy one is simple. It creates a calm and cozy atmosphere. Whether you're relaxing after work, helping a child fall asleep, or setting the mood for a movie night, it can make a room feel completely different. So, is it legit? Yes. Nightlight projectors are legitimate products. They do exactly what they're designed to do. They project colorful lighting effects and create ambient lighting. Just don't expect a tiny projector to completely replace professional lighting equipment. The overall quality depends on the brand you choose. Premium models usually offer brighter projections, quieter motors, and better build quality. Budget options can still work well, but the image may not be as sharp, and the materials might feel cheaper. There are also a few things to keep in mind before buying. Check the brightness if you plan to use it in larger rooms. Look for timer functions if you want it to turn off automatically while you sleep. Remote controls and app support can also make daily use much easier. Now, what about scams? The product itself isn't a scam. However, some online stores use misleading photos or exaggerated advertising. That's why it's important to buy from a trusted retailer and read recent customer reviews before placing an order. Overall, the nightlight projector can be a fun and relaxing addition to your bedroom, living room, or a child's room. It won't magically transform your home into a planetarium, but if your expectations are realistic, most buyers end up happy with the experience. So if you're looking for affordable mood lighting and a relaxing atmosphere, a night light projector is definitely worth considering.